और सार्क देशों का कोरोना के ऊपर एक मंथन का पूरा कार्यक्रम तय है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की मुहिम के बाद प्रधानमंत्री कुछ बोल रहे हैं।
Almost immediately after his recent surgery, I wish him a speedy recovery. I would also like to congratulate President Ashraf Ghani for his recent. I welcome the new Secretary General of SAARC, who is also with us today. I also acknowledge the presence of the Director of the SAARC Disaster Management Center from Gandhinagar. Excellencies, as you know, COVID-19 has recently been classified. We need to remain vigilant. Our SAARC region is home to nearly 1/5 of all humanity. It is densely populated. As developing countries, all of us have significant challenges in terms of access to healthcare facilities. Our people-to-people ties are ancient and our societies are deeply interconnected. Therefore, we must all prepare together. We must all act together and we must all succeed together. Excellencies, as we prepare to face this challenge, let me briefly share India's experience of combating the spread of this virus so far. Prepare, but do not panic has been our guiding mantra. We were careful to not underestimate the problem, but also to avoid knee-jerk reactions. We have tried to take proactive steps, including a graded response mechanism. We started screening entry into India from mid-January itself, while also gradually increasing restrictions on travel. The step-by-step approach has helped avoid panic. We have increased our public awareness campaigns on TV, print and social media. We have made special efforts to reach out to vulnerable groups. We have worked to quickly ramp up capacity in our system, including through training our medical staff across the country. We have also increased diagnostic capabilities. Within 2 months, we moved from one major facility for pan-India testing to more than 66 such labs, and we have developed protocols for each stage of managing this pandemic. For screening at entry points, contact tracing of suspected cases, quarantine and management of isolation facilities, and for discharge of cleared cases. We also responded to the call of our people abroad. We evacuated nearly 1,400 Indians from different countries. We also similarly helped some of the citizens of our neighboring countries. We have now built a protocol for such evacuations, including carrying out testing by our mobile teams deployed abroad. We recognize that other countries would be also concerned about their citizens in India. So, we briefed foreign ambassadors about the steps we were taking. Excellencies, we fully recognize that we are still in an unknown situation. We cannot predict with certainty how the situation will unfold despite our best efforts. You must also be facing similar concerns. This is why it would be most valuable for all of us to share our perspectives. I look forward to hearing your views. Thank you. Thank you very much. I now request His Excellency President Ghani to share his thoughts with us.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, and best wishes to Prime Minister Oli and thank you for taking this very important initiative. All that is normal is disrupted, and all that seems solid is melting into thin air. We are into unknown territory, and our vulnerability, Excellency, comes from our openness. Our greatest vulnerability is that we have an open border with Iran, one of the major centers, and the flow cannot be stopped. And the province of Herat is become the central node for preventing the spread and diffusion of this deadly disease to the rest of South Asia. I have the following 5 proposals. 1, modeling of diffusion impacts and scenarios for management. Unless we model the diffusion, we will be facing assumptions from China or the United States or Iran are not suitable to our situation. I request a task force of SARC to be able to do this. 2nd, telemedicine, because the 2nd and 3rd order impact of this, particularly on poor and vulnerable and women, is very significant. If we could create a common framework for telemedicine for diagnosis of related issues and as advances take place, how to be able to coordinate. 3rd, as a landlord,
सार्क को लेकर मंथन चल रहा है। तमाम देशों के राजनयिक बड़े नेता इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के साथ यहां पर मंथन कर रहे हैं। तमाम अपडेट्स इससे जुड़े हुए आप तक लाएंगे, लेकिन